Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to present the Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro, the ultimate smart cordless floor cleaner that will revolutionize the way you clean your home. Stick around as we uncover the cutting-edge technology and incredible features packed into this sleek and efficient cleaning machine. The Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro boasts a sleek and modern design, engineered to perfection. It's not just a floor cleaner, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Control and monitor the cleaning process with ease, thanks to the user-friendly LCD display. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to efficiency. With its powerful suction and dual wet and dry cleaning abilities, the Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro takes on any mess with confidence. From spilled liquids to stubborn dirt, it effortlessly cleans it all. And guess what? It even mops. The built-in mop function leaves your floors shining and spotless. No more bending over and scrubbing. The Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro does it all for you. Got sticky messes that just won't budge? The Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro's powerful suction and intelligent cleaning algorithms make light work of the toughest dirt. Pet owners, rejoice! This smart cordless floor cleaner is a pet hair magnet, ensuring your floors are fur-free and fresh for you and your furry friends. Drying wet floors is usually a time-consuming task, but not anymore. The Tineco Floor 1S7 Pro's unique centrifugal drying process leaves your floors dry and safe in no time. The large water tank capacity allows you to cover more ground without frequent refills, and the drying process ensures you can walk on your floors without any worries. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more innovative product reviews and cleaning tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.